to the Natural Wigs Store and Mirge Toppers. Hello, my name is Leslie Diana, and I'm the owner of the Natural Wigs Store and the creator of Mirge Topper line. First of all, welcome. Whether you're dealing with hair loss or alopecia, chemotherapy, stress, surgery, this is your site, and this site was built for you. You'll see real customers, photos, videos, and transformation stories. You'll also find our newest collection, Mirge Toppers. These toppers are lightweight, they're breathable, made to blend with your natural hair. We merge the topper with your natural hair, by the way, because sometimes you don't have to share your pain. You can merge it instead. Take a look around. We're adding new wigs and toppers every week. And before you go, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're watching it from our YouTube channel. And to subscribe and say, I subscribe today. Okay, well, this is just to let you know, this is more than just a store. It's a confidence movement. And welcome home.